Hello guys, welcome back to my new tutorial. So guys, today's video is about what is Google Play. Google Play, if you buy a new mobile, you see always this icon is appear on your mobile. It is always installed. So I'm gonna explain you what is this. This is a app you can open and you can look the interface. And guys, you can play any kind of any kind of games, but you can play games over here. For example, if you want to play a game without installing, you can directly play games over here. So you can look over here. He's going to throw a ball. Is it as a cricket? There are snakes and there are grasshoppers. So guys, you can see there's some kind of games and albums you can install from here. Profile. So many people doesn't know what is this play games. So I'm having a really quick explanation about this. So guys, it was very small video. I hope it was little education for you. If it was, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Until then, see you in the next video. Peace out. Bye friends.